You're doing everything right, but the debt just keeps growing. Every paycheck disappears before you even catch your breath. You pay the minimum and somehow still fall further behind. It feels like no matter what you do, nothing changes. You're not bad with money. The system just wasn't built for you. There is a way out even when your budget feels impossible. You don't need a raise to start destroying your debt today. This is exactly what nobody taught you, but you need to know. Most Americans are carrying debt they've had for years now. Credit cards, medical bills, student loans. It stacks up fast. The average American household carries over $10,000 in debt, and the interest keeps charging whether you have money or not. You make a payment, but the balance barely moves an inch. That's not a coincidence. That's exactly how lenders designed it. Minimum payments are engineered to keep you paying for decades longer. A $500 balance can take years to fully clear. Meanwhile, life keeps throwing unexpected expenses directly at your wallet. Car repairs, doctor visits, a broken appliance, it never stops coming. So you put it on the card, and the cycle restarts. Many people feel shame about debt, like they made all wrong choices. But debt is a structural problem, not a personal failure or flaw. Millions of hardworking Americans are in the exact same position as you. The difference between those who escape and those who don't is strategy, not income, strategy. Small, consistent actions that compound over time powerfully. And that is exactly what we're going to walk through today. The very first step is knowing exactly what you owe right now. Write down every single debt, the balance, rate, and minimum payment. Most people avoid this list because seeing it feels overwhelming and scary. But you cannot fight what you refuse to look directly at. Once it's on paper, it loses some of its power over you. Now you have a real target, and targets are something you can hit. Next, stop adding new debt while you're trying to climb back out. Using credit cards during payoff is like bailing water with a hole. Freeze the card, lock it away, or remove it from your wallet. Just pausing new charges gives your payoff plan a real fighting chance. Now let's talk about the two most powerful debt payoff methods available. The first is called the debt snowball. Smallest balance gets attacked first. You throw every extra dollar at the smallest debt you currently have. Once it's gone, you roll that payment into the next one. This method builds momentum, and momentum is what keeps most people going. Paying off a debt, even a small one, feels incredibly empowering and real. The second method is the debt avalanche. Highest interest rate goes first. This one saves you the most money over the long run mathematically. You focus all extra funds on the debt costing you the most. Both methods work. The best one is the one you actually stick to. Now here's the part most debt videos skip over entirely. Found money. You likely have more money available than you currently realize or see. Start by reviewing every subscription currently charging your bank account each month. Streaming services, gym memberships, apps you forgot about. They add up fast. Canceling just $30 a month frees up $360 yearly. That money goes directly to your smallest debt and accelerates everything significantly. Next, look at your grocery and food spending from the last month. Meal prepping 2 or 3 times a week can cut costs dramatically. Eating out less doesn't mean suffering. It means redirecting money toward freedom. Even saving $40 a month on food moves your payoff date forward. Now think about things around your home you no longer use or need. Selling unused items on Facebook Marketplace or OfferUp is fast and free. One weekend of selling old stuff could generate $100 or $200. That's a real payment on your debt that costs you nothing new. Another powerful move is calling your creditors directly and asking for help. Many lenders will lower your interest rate if you simply ask them nicely. They would rather work with you than see your account go delinquent. A lower rate means more of your payment attacks the actual balance directly. You can also ask about hardship programs that temporarily reduce your required payments. This is not failure. This is using every available tool intelligently and wisely. If you have multiple cards, consider a balance transfer to a 0% card. Moving high-interest debt to 0% gives you breathing room to pay faster. Just make sure you have a real plan to pay it off in time. Every dollar you free up needs a job. Send it straight to debt. Consistency over time, even with small amounts, creates enormous and real financial change. Imagine opening your banking app and watching that balance actually go down steadily. Imagine a month where no minimum payment stress keeps you awake at night. Picture paying off your first debt completely and feeling that weight finally lift. That feeling of freedom is not reserved for wealthy people. It is yours. One debt gone means one less bill, one less worry every single month. You start breathing easier, sleeping better, and feeling genuinely proud of yourself daily. This is not about becoming rich. It is about reclaiming your own peace. Financial peace isn't a number in a bank account. It's a daily feeling. The people who get there started exactly where you're standing right now. They were just consistent, even when progress felt painfully slow and almost invisible. I also put together a debt payoff toolkit just for you. It includes worksheets, trackers, and a full 90-day action plan. Grab it now. The link is waiting in the description below. If this helped you, subscribe to Wealth Calmly for weekly real money lessons. Every week, we break down money topics that actually matter to everyday Americans. No fluff, no jargon, just clear steps you can start using today. Thank you genuinely for spending your time watching and learning here with us. Hit subscribe, stay consistent, and remember, your financial turnaround starts right now.